about the car parking, the member is from Ulve can deposits donation for unallotted parking be collected. Is Mrs. Mahalakshmi there on the line? So as per your suggestion, because this is the first program, we are also learning how to do this program. I can say with all your with all your support, it should be a successful one. Yeah. See, this member is from Ulve. In their building, they have got parking for 50 members, where some of them are allotted the stacked parking. You know that there will be a pulley chain and there is a machine where it goes up and down, and when the member wanted to bring it down, there will be an automated button where they will bring down and they will take out the car or park. They will park in the car. There are concept now for the stacked parking. Now, since day one, since 5 years from the time they moved, that particular stag machine is not in a workable condition. Okay, because they have not used it, obviously it will get rusted and it have lost all the it has lost the working condition. And the one of such stacking, in fact, it fell down and it got broke. Luckily, there is no damages for the car, but the stack got broke. Now, in the meantime, the builder has taken money against the parking charges for some people. For some people, he has not taken and it is not allotted also. And number two, builder has not given any allotment letter in spite of taking the money whichever they have paid. Now, the problem is they want to remove the stack so that the parking, the existing parking can be adjusted between all the members. Okay, am I clear? The existing parking, even the stacked parking people need to accommodate it in the building without stacking. So number one is they worked out the area whether it can be done or not done. Yes, it can be done, but there will be a little problem here and there, but yes, they feel it can be done. Now the next is, out of which certain members have paid some amount to the builder for which there is no allotment letter of car parking. Certain people who have not paid for this parking. Now the discussion here is, can the people who are not paid to the builder, whether society can collect the money as a donation for the unallotted parking? I'm repeating, can the society collect as a deposit or a donation for the unallotted parking? Okay, so the first answer which we are giving is the particular, it is nothing but the sale of parking. Sale of parking, that is sale of open parking, is not allowed even by the builder. And one more thing, what I heard from Mrs. Mahalakshmi is, they want to use this donation amount for repairs and maintenance and not for this particular repairing the parking. In the AGM, they have decided to take away the stacks and keep it aside. They don't want to go with the stacking. So that is what they have decided. So in this case, first one is, can they take the donation? And number two, can this donation amount be used for the repairs and maintenance? Other repairs and maintenance is what her query is. So Mr. Sudhindra, are you able to visualize the question? Hello? Hello, sir?
Yeah.
Are you able to? Is the question clear to you?
Yeah, the question is clear to me.
Yeah. Okay. The first one is the particular donation. I don't think so. Society is allowed to collect. In fact, they also approached the federation and they also given it in writing regarding the car parking. So the donation form First of all, it is not for the repairing of the car parking, that is for something else. It is not allowed as per our understanding. And regarding the allotment of parking, it is given very clearly in bylaw number, if you go to bylaw number 78, 79, 80 and 81, 82, 83, 82, 82. So these are the bylaw number which clearly says how the allotment of parking has to be done. Now the grand question is, there are certain members who have given the money and the certain members who have not given the money, and they will be enjoying this parking is what they are coming up with. So in our understanding, as you cannot collect the money, that too that the builder's money, because he has not given the allotment letter also, amicably you need to sort it out as it is given in the bylaw. This is what we can tell you, ma'am. You want to say something, add something, you are free to do it.
Yes, sir. Can I?
Yeah,
Yeah,
go ahead.
please.
Go ahead.
Yeah, ma'am says, Uma ma'am says, please solve it amicably. There are people who have bought it. All of us, there are 42 people who have bought paying money to the builder, and there are 8 people who have not paid money to the builder. And there are these parking which are unallotted still. And in case if somebody wants to buy, how can we give it to them? So when we approach Federation, Federation says you cannot sell it. But when we passed it in the AGM, the other members objected, saying that we have paid to the builder. How can the other guys enjoy this benefit freely? So this is where the confusion is, and some members are quoting bylaw saying that we can say take deposits or donations. So that is how we approach you.
Okay, Sudhir sir, you know what she is referring to? She is referring to bylaw number 67, where they can take in the form of donation any other charges as may be decided by the general body of the society.
Okay, let me understand first of all.
Yeah,
So there are some people who have paid money to
the builder.
and builder has not allotted any parking space for them.
No. Whoever is paid, builder is allotted. There are certain parkings which are not yet allotted. Nobody has taken any money from them, but they are still vacant.
Okay, see, as unallotted car parkings are there, society management has got authority. Yes, ma'am?
Okay, please
Uma
go
ma'am.
ahead.
Yeah, they have got an
So
authority.
because to allocate, now the question is this: I'm just listening two things. Some people have paid money to
The
builder,
builder. Yeah,
and builder has not given any allotment letter.
yeah,
Right now, they will come for dispute.
They
correct.
have
So the
already
society
come
has to
into
make it very
dispute
clear.
in the AGM. They've
This
already
transaction is
taken
between
this.
them and the builder. They have to take it up with the builder. Now, for those people who have got the allotment letters, yes,
Nobody
that
has
can
They
be
have
taken
not
allotment.
issued
honored.
the allotment letter at all.
Nobody
Yeah,
has
this is
got the
Mahalakshmi. I have
allotment
one query. How did you get the list of people who have already paid the money? Did the builder
Builder
give you
has
any
given a
declaration?
Builder gave a list, only list, not a declaration. He gave a
List
list of
saying that these are the people who have paid the parking money, right?
these are the parking, and this is the flat number, this is the name, and these are the people who have not bought a parking. Also, he's given a list.
Okay, fine.
Okay, since you're also adding complexity, because it is a stack number of what you call, it's a mechanized parking. That means we are using the vertical height.
Correct.
So how many car flats are there? How many what you call car parkings?
50 flats are there.
Huh?
9 stacks, meaning 18 parkings are there.
Only
Rest
18.
are all normal parkings. Rest are all normal parkings. Only 9 stacks, meaning 18 parkings are stack parkings.
So 9 into 2.
9 into 2, correct. Out of
So
that,
now that is
Out of that 18, 12 have been allotted by the builder. Six are remaining vacant, unallotted.
Okay, as far as unallotted is concerned, yes, society can take a call on that. Number one. Number two, even the allotted ones where stacking is there, now the stacking is no more can be used because it is rusted and it is not working. Am I right?
Yeah,
Right,
right.
So that means even those people also need to accommodate it on the ground,
Correct.
right?
Correct.
Yes, I mean the people who have paid money and then who have been allotted, okay, they can be given priority,
Correct.
and the ones for which the people have paid to builder has not given, or they were not allotted, it is for them to take it up with the builder, number one, and the society can take a call on that, on those unallotted parkings.
Sir, there is nobody who is paid and build. See, it is not like that. No, people who have not paid, they have not got allotment. People who have got paid,
Obviously.
builder is given the list. He is not given any
Okay.
allotment letter. Only the formality was pending. He has actually taken money from all 42 people, but he has not issued allotment letter to any of us, nor has he included this parking matter in our registration process.
Okay. The only
Yeah,
thing
it is also not part of the agreement. That's what she said.
okay, out of 42, how many allotment letters have you?
There is no allotment letter
There is
at
no
all.
allotment letter to
There is no-
anybody. He is only given us
Okay.
a list
But the list.
stating that these are the number of people who have purchased. These are the number of. This is the list of parking. This is the door number. This is the name. A simple, not even in the letterhead. It's a just simple sheet of paper. He's put in a stamp and signature. He's given that letter. He's given the
Okay, I
list.
mean,
of
all the
checks
42
in the letter.
names are there in that?
Yeah, 42 names are there in the list.
Okay, that means for the money what he received, he has issued the statement.
He's given a list.
Okay. So now that some people are without any car parking.
Correct. And now they want to have car parkings. That is when we approached Federation. Federation says we cannot sell the parking. And when we passed in the agent that we will not collect in the form of donation or deposit. Instead, we will go for parking charges. That is when people objected, stating that when we paid money and when we bought parking, how can these people, the others who not bought, are only getting it on parking charges, which are very meager in amount, say 1,000 rupees or so.
Okay, now do we have number of car parkings inside the building which equals to the number of flats?
Yes, as of now, yes, 50 flats, 50 parkings are there.
No, Mrs. Mahalakshmi, taking out the stack, still you have got 50 parkings?
No, it is stack included.
Now if you remove the stacks, will you be able to accommodate?
We'll have to accommodate back and forth.
But without
Okay, it's possible.
yeah, is it possible?
It is difficult. That is where the objection is coming. People are saying, give us those parking, allot the unallotted parking to all of us. Distribute the unallotted parking between us is what the request that is coming, because we have paid money. But what our federation says is, if builder is given 50 parking in the plan, you cannot remove 50 parking from the plan.
Exactly.
So what you need to do is, you need to find the number of parking and allot the people who have already paid the money, who is named there in the list.
Okay, alternatively, get this mechanized system back in action, in the sense like repaired करके उसको whatever नया करके
करने के लिए हमारे पास पैसे नहीं है. We lost all our money in PMC Bank, sir. And in case if we are going to put in new stacks, each stack is costing 1.5 lakhs. So 9 into 1.5 lakhs, it comes to around 15 lakh rupees plus the GST plus the maintenance cost. Everything totals up to 20 lakhs. And the
I
other
get that, because this is as per plan.
Yeah,
The
but
society is not maintained.
No,
It is mechanized.
No, the other members are not willing to share that 20 lakhs contribution.
But there is no other go. Because this is as per the plan. And the plan is passed, including this mechanized stacking system. If that is not in order right now, society has to collect money from the members and then get this done.
Nobody is interested to pay around 50,000 rupees or so.
No, I understand.
But sir,
It's
one
okay.
second.
In a lighter note, which member wants to pay even the maintenance? Given a chance, I don't want to pay.
But what others are saying is, it is not our fault. We bought full car parking. We bought, there are only 18 stack parking and 12 people have bought it. And that has got damaged and they paid a very reduced amount to the builder. It is not even, in case if there are closed parking, it costs 4 lakh rupees. In case of stack parking, it was only 2.5 lakhs. By paying 2.5 lakhs, they have compromised. Now, in case if there is a damage, only they have to pay is what everybody others are arguing.
That's not the case. So now the total number of parkings, including mechanized, is 50, right?
Correct.
If those are not working, and because of which there is a pressure or there is a strain, that has to be resolved. It's not the question who is paid. For example, I'll tell you, at the time of Bhumi Pujan, the member might have paid is different from after the OC. Even the cost of the purchase of the plant.
Agreed, sir.
It's never ending. Now the society has to take a call. The management has to take a call. Pass it in the AGM and go ahead and rectifying this mechanized parking.
Sir, we had an AGM. We had an AGM on 7th of February. It was very difficult. It was a complete argument. Nobody was interested to pay the money. That is when we brought this discussion here.
I get that. This is what the solution we can offer.
See, amicably, you need to settle down of allotting the fresh parkings. And it is not based on it cannot be. See, you have now decided not to have stacks for various reasons. And Sudhindra sir, because their stack also got broken, they are afraid whether the stack will be working further also.
No, ma'am. This is a very, what you call, very successful model. I have seen it in many societies. Even all, if you say malls, if you go, it's all mechanized. They have to be maintained properly by giving them AMC. Like a lift, it can be used. And now the plan is sanctioned, okay? Including the mechanized parking or stacked parking. That has to be brought into action. That's it.
Okay, Mrs. Mahalakshmi, one more question. How much they are asking to repair the existing stacks?
The builder has put in a very third-class company, and the company is no longer there. They are not available. When we approached branded companies, they are saying we will not touch this. So we have to purchase new stack only.
So the existing stack cannot be used also. That's what they are telling.
No. It is not. It is only a scrap.
Yeah, this has to be really taken up in the AGM level and explain this to all the members. That's what Uma ma'am possibly means, like amicably. Because this is a plan which is sanctioned, approved. If this is not working, it has to be put in, make it working.
Yeah, in my opinion, you make 3 different options and put it in the AGM, and you have a voting. How many of you agree to this and disagree to this? See, in this case, like if every member wants to talk, they will talk in the favor and not favor. But if you take the voting, and in that voting, how much is the majority you are getting, accordingly decide. This is one option we can give it to you. That's coming
Yes,
into my
Uma ma'am,
mind.
we had an AGM on 7th, and that is where it got decided that we will not go ahead with the stack parking. We do not want stack parking, and we are completely in a soup. We do not know where to progress.
Okay, fine. So when you have removed this, I mean, when you have decided not to have the stack parking, so the existing parking, how to allot, you have to go as per the bylaw.
So what does the bylaw say?
Ma'am, bylaw is very clear. If you want each and everything to be explained, then we need to have a separate call, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am, we will discuss separately.
Yeah, we will discuss. We will have a separate call as to what bylaw is telling. I have already given you the bylaw number. It is 78 to 81. And you refer to it. If there is any doubt into how to go about it, we can have a separate call.
Sure.